Welcome everyone, thank you so much for joining in. So as you can see right now, Ethereum is in a price discovery mode, because if you look at the price action starting in a weekly time frame, guys, we were aware the price of Ethereum was ready for this next movement here to the upside, because we saw this coming beforehand, because we were very aware when the price of Ethereum broke out of this upper line area of this ascending triangle, as you can see here, right? The upper line was a strong line of resistance, we were aware of that. But once we broke out of it and flipped the resistance into support, you can see the price started this new rally here to the upward direction. And we were also saying that if the price of Ethereum is going to find a proper support above this previous high area that was around 4,000 to 3,800, this will indicate the price of Ethereum is ready for this next movement here to the upward direction. Because if you look at this price action right now, as you can see, the resistance line has already been broken and the price of Ethereum is also heading here to the upward direction. So in a weekly, right, if this is going to continue, let me show you the possible price target to the upward direction for these upcoming days. Because if you look at this price action according to this ascending triangle in a weekly time frame, the price of Ethereum could be heading towards this 5,800 to 6,000 price area here in the upcoming days for Ethereum. Because we are aware, if you look at this not just as a ascending triangle, because we are aware ascending triangle scenario looks somehow like this, but let's say we want to look this in a bit different way. I mean, if you simply add this parallel channel, you can also see, guys, the price of Ethereum broke out of this very interesting resistance line, right? Again here, but not from this ascending triangle, but from this parallel channel, because this upper line was a strong line of resistance and lower line, as you can see, was a strong line of support. So once we broke out of it, right, just like with this ascending triangle, the price also indicated that we are ready for this new move here to the upward direction. And this is also happening right now with price action of Ethereum. So how far is this trend going to continue, and also what are our price target here in the immediate short term and in the upcoming days? I am going to show you all the scenario and also the price target in today's video. So for that, please hit the like button, and for those individual watching this for the first time, come on, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So now let's look at this price action in a bit different way. So now what we are going to do is we are going to look at this price action in a daily time frame, because in a daily, if we look at this price formation here, right, impulsive movement, corrective movement, and now what we are saying is another impulsive movement. And if this impulsive movement is going to continue, where are we heading, and also what are our short-term and also long-term price target for Ethereum? As you can see, in a weekly time frame, we are focusing around this 5,800 to 6,000 range, and in a daily time frame, if you look at this price action, we are going to add this Fibonacci extension from this swing low till this swing high, and look at this price action in this way, because we are aware the price of Ethereum has already broken out of this 0.786 Fibonacci extension line, which is also going to stay as a resistance. Please keep that in mind, because you can see here, when the price of Ethereum came and tested this 4,468 area, exactly after that we also saw this price retracement. But now, since we are above it, what we want in a daily is price of Ethereum to find a proper support above this 4,460 to 4,480 price area. Because if we do find a proper support above this, then this will indicate the price of Ethereum is ready and could be heading towards this 100% Fibonacci extension line that is lying around 4,960 to 5,000 price area in the upcoming days for Ethereum. So that's why in a daily time frame, we want the price of Ethereum at anyhow to find support above this 0.786 that is lying around 4,460 price area. And now if we also look at this price action in a bit different way, and also congratulations to everyone who have been following me on this scenario, because we were aware the price of Ethereum, doesn't matter whichever way we looked at it, we were actually seeing a very nice bullish formation playing out here. And also now this inverse head and shoulder price target that we mentioned in my previous video, you can see here, we came exactly at this price target level, right? 4,450 to 4,500 price area. And now we are aware around that we could be seeing resistance from this 0.786 Fibonacci extension line. Even though we are above it, what to expect next in the immediate short term? Because for that, what I need to do is look at this price action in a 4-hour time frame. And also, guys, let me make you aware, we have around $4,700 bonus available for our community members from BYBIT and Phemex. If you like to trade Bitcoin, then feel free to use this BYBIT raffling, which is giving around $3,500 bonus to our community member. And if you like to trade altcoin, then you can use this Phemex raffling, which is giving around $1,200 bonus. So this is a great opportunity. Try grabbing it. So now let's switch into other chart, because if you look at this price action, guys, what we can do is simply add this ascending channel scenario for Ethereum, because we can see very clearly, right? If you look at the price structure, this upper line was a strong line of resistance, lower line was a strong line of support, right? You can see here. So now if you follow this ascending channel, since the price of Ethereum is almost approaching this upper line area again, so what is the price of Ethereum doing here in the medium short term? If we can actually approach and break this resistance from this upper line area of this ascending channel, that could be around 4,560, 4,580 area. If you break out of it and also flip it into support, then you can see, guys, the price of Ethereum could turn very bullish. But if we do see any sort of a retracement again after reaching this price level of 4,550, 4,580 range, right, then we are also aware the price of Ethereum here in the medium short term could see some more range bound type of scenario before again trying to break here to the upward direction. Because if you look at this price structure here, let me show you this in a smaller time frame. So now if we look at this price action of Ethereum in an hourly time frame, you can see here, guys, one very interesting scenario could be unfolding right now with price action of Ethereum. Because if you look at this trend line, right, and also to the downside, you can see, guys, this actually looks like a very nice ascending triangle breakout type of scenario, just like here. So if this ascending triangle scenario is going to continue, you can see here, guys, the price target is going to be from top till this area. And in this case, as you can see, for the immediate short term, we could be approaching around this 4,550 to 4,580 area, and exactly around that price range I just showed you, the upper line area of this ascending channel, right, could be acting as a resistance line. So let me show you one more time. So around this price range of 4,550, 4,580 could be a short-term price target where we might be getting gravitated, and also a line of resistance for Ethereum. Just like I showed you, any sort of a retracement after that, we are expecting more of a range bound and price still trying to break here to the upper direction, because it doesn't matter whichever way you look at, the price of Ethereum is now finding itself in a price discovery mode, and this is a very bullish scenario in general. So guys, these are some of the scenarios I thought sharing with you in today's episode. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.